Hey guys, Mr. Haque back with another video. Unfortunately, my boiler decided to break on me again. It's just a pressure loss, so how you know that is it's flashing here. This is the Ideal Logic Combi 30. So here you'll have a 0, and as you can see, alright guys, so it seems to have fixed itself somehow. Don't know how that happened, but yeah. So I'll just show you anyway how to do it. If your pressure is lost, it'll be flashing here and stuff like that. It'll just be flashing with a D or something. I don't know what letter it is. It'll say in the manual, but yeah, you'll know when the pressure is low. You'll just say it, and you can also check under here. So what you do is look for your pressure monitor, pressure meter there, which is there. That's the water pressure. So it is under 1, so I'm gonna top it up anyway, because once it goes below 1, it starts to drop a lot, and then in the cold it's very bad because it just means it's gone quicker. It just goes quicker. So what you want to do is locate the Bluetooth. There's 2 blue tabs. One is safety and one is your pressure one. And then the yellow, red, you never touch them. They're mainly gas and stuff. Okay, so you got one there and one there. You want to do this, the right one. This one, simple. That's safety. That's on now. That's open now. So you want to keep an eye on the pressure. Once it hits 1, you want to let go. So you pull it towards you. Oh, let me zoom out a bit. Accidentally pressed the zoom. There you go. Okay, so once it hits 1, you want to let go. That's it. Simple as that. And then you lock the safety tap again. Simple as that. Now, should say 1. Now, one reason that mine was leaking because someone left the upstairs tap on slightly, ever so slightly, and you're just leaking pressure over time. So yeah, simple things like that messes up. And yeah, but yeah, if that helps you out, let me know. Subscribe to my channel, check out all the videos. I'm not sure what you're into, so I do a variety of videos and stuff. Thank you guys for watching anyways. See you guys next time. Goodbye, and yeah, leave a like and subscribe. Bye.